resolve the issue with the switchover?
No.
Okay. Do you have a data guard environment actually working?
No, I don't have another one that is actually working. I have a free database, but I haven't installed it on it yet.
Okay. Right. If you want to, if you know you can configure it really quick, so that we can use that to perform the switchover. Okay.
Okay.
So yes, if you are available, you want to take care of it. You want to take care of the configuration now, so that we do that.
Sure.
Okay. Please share your screen when you are ready, and so that we can configure really quick, and we can move to switchover and failover if possible. All right. Thank you, Anita.
Okay. No problem.
But you do that, but you don't record. Okay.
Don't record?
You don't record, correct?
You don't want me to record?
No.
Is there a reason why?
Are you the one I will revoke the privilege to record?
I'm sorry?
I revoke the privilege to record to somebody, right? Was it you?
No, I don't think so. I think, let's see. I can still record.
Never mind, it's fine. Right.
Okay. So can I or can I not record?
You can. Go ahead.
Okay, cool. All right.
All right.
Yeah, can I share my screen, please?
No, I'm not the host, please. Ms. Renata
Host,
can.
please.
All right, thanks.
Oh, okay, are you gonna be, can you also just follow up with us? Because I don't know, I'm thinking maybe, my issue could be in the configuration. I don't know.
Okay. I'm here then. I'm here. Let's do that together.
All right.
Just take a script you have been using, and I will every single step I will be checking.
Okay.
Yeah. I think it can make more sense.
Patrick.
Yeah, Renata.
For some reasons, I'm not able to let you record. I don't know why. So.
That's fine. Anita is recording already. That's fine.
Okay.
I'll get it later on. Thanks.
Gaetan, please, can I make you the host?
No problem, Renata.
Okay, thank you.
Anita, change the font size too, please.
The font? Okay.
Yeah. Thanks.
Like 12 is fine, right? Better?
Yeah, it's much better.
Okay. What database do I have? Okay, I'm gonna use gold again.
Okay. Okay. You can do that when you want to perform the switchover. Okay.
So do this after, like,
Just enable flashback. Okay. But the guarantee a stop point you can create it before the.
okay.
Yeah.
But Gaetan, what difference does it make if she does it now?
The difference is that if she creates it now and she wants to flashback, it will disable all the changes she performed. Let's assume that she's adding standby with the locks. Okay.
Mhm.
And she's adding standby with the locks and she flashback, you know, and now she doesn't take a backup of the new changes she performed. So when she flashbacks up to that restore point, all the changes she performed after the restore point creation will be, will be deleted or yeah. So that's why if she creates the restore point after she configured data guard, so if she flash back up to that restore point, she can still get everything she did before that. That's
Mhm.
how to create a guarantee restore point way before.
Okay.
Okay, so standard Dulux, okay. You name them, we do 04, 05, 06, 07. Okay, good, they look good.
Okay.
Can you check the thread, which thread they are running on?
Okay, please, can I have is it this one?
Yes. You want to make sure it's run on thread number 1. Okay, make sure thread is 1 because single instance the thread should always be 1. If we are in rack, the last project, you can have 1 and 2. Okay, so we go to move.
Okay. Okay.
Can you set parameters before you create a PIFA from FP5?
I'm sorry?
Can you set other parameters first before you create PIFA from FP5? You know, so that the P5 will pick up all the other changes you perform. Because if now you create
Okay.
FP5,
But
okay?
I'm gonna do it here again. So
Oh,
it's better to just take this out.
okay. Yes, you can take it out. Yes,
Okay.
yes. Since you are going to do it again, that's good.
All
Okay.
right. So this is this looks fine.
Okay, good. Yes, it looks fine.
So this is for the archive logs.
Okay, the archive log for the primary.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, good. Mhm. Okay.
That's okay.
Okay, so you added the same directory in the log archive, this one, right?
Yes. Is
Okay.
this directory?
Yes, that's fine. Okay. That one is enabled by GFold. If you want
Okay.
to be curious, okay, you want to be curious, just type show parameter log archive dest state _1, okay? So that on 12C, I think it's enabled by GFold. Okay, pick one. Okay, it's okay. Yeah. Now you net copy.
Hmm.
Hold back. Okay, yeah. Remove other system. Remove that system stuff. You put system, right? Remove that.
Oh yeah.
No. Take only archive state. Put space, yes. Only archive state, yeah. Okay, good. Perfect. So if you scroll up, you see that it's already enabled on 12C.
Okay.
It's on 11G, I think you guys have to enable, but on 12C it's already enabled. You don't need to worry about that one, okay?
Don't worry about this.
You can show parameter log archive format as well. To
Okay.
validate format.
Hmm.
You see? So
Okay, so this is already
by
like
default,
that.
yes, it's already set. So don't worry about it.
So all these three, okay.
Okay. I think by default it's already set to exclusive. Show parameter remote login password. By default it's set to exclusive, I think. So all right.
Okay.
You don't need to set it. So Okay. Okay. Standby file management. Okay. To auto. Good. Mhm.
And my listener is listener 2. Okay.
Okay. Why don't you have a GB file name convert?
Because the both databases will have the same name, right?
They are the same, but will the standby result in the same location?
Yes.
The standby with the logs?
Yes.
Okay, so I want you to use log file name convert at least for standby with the logs. Okay, I don't want them. I want them. You know, I don't. I want them to have the same naming convention as the other one on the primary.
What do you mean?
You remember the way they were looking like, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I don't want that format.
Okay, so it's gonna be
Okay.
oh,
You
and
put the-
then to is it like this or should I put SC?
yeah, you create a directory called STB, gold STB on the standby.
What's the reason for doing that?
If you don't map it, okay, as I said,
Mm-hmm.
you will not have standby Hudolog name as you want, okay? So you will not have like you created a standby Hudolog, you name them Hudo 04, Hudo 05, Hudo 06, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you don't use a log file name convert, Arman will give his own naming convention to your standby Hudo logs, and Alma is going to store those standby Hudo logs by default in your log archive destination. So maybe it's not what you want, okay? So that's why I'm saying that. You will not have issues when it comes to switch over again, but you can have a lot of challenges when you have to come back, to switch back. So it's very important to pay attention to that.
Mommy, why don't they cut him out?
Okay. So yes, you can.
Okay.
You may need to do the same for the data files as well, okay? So that all of them are in one location.
Okay, so you want my data files to go to this location as well?
Yes, yes, yes.
I got none.
So in other words, these two parameters are not optional.
Oracle.
Yes, if you keep them optional, okay, as I said, Oracle, Arman will handle some for you. So it's always important to mention these parameters. Very important.
Okay.
It's optional, but you know, you will not have total control over the duplication. Arman will take care of everything.
Okay. So that means in this case, okay. All right.
So since I see some scope equal SP5, you may
Mhm.
bounce the database, right?
Am I what?
You may need to bounce the database.
So shut down and start up again.
But whenever you guys see scope equal SP5, what does it mean? Whenever you have scope equal SP5, what does it mean?
Means it's being written to the SP file, the current SP file.
Okay. And how can we the new change
You have to shut down.
the database? Okay, you have to shut down, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That I'm so sorry. Question. We have to put this parameter, the name underscore convert.
That's what I'm saying, right? I'm saying that because
Yeah.
If you, it's option, as I said, it's not mandatory, okay? Not mandatory to put those parameters. But if you don't put those parameters at the end,
Yeah.
your standby Hudo logs will not be where you want them to be, or as well as your online Hudo logs. So it's easier for you to perform, you know, to convert, to perform your Arman duplicate, okay? But now, whenever you are coming to the GR testing, whenever you are your switch over or switch back, it'll be difficult for you to accommodate to switch back, especially, okay? Because Arman will choose a different location for your standby Hudo. So whenever you use log find name convert, GB find name convert, you are the one to decide where you want your data file and your online Hudo log to go. Okay, but it's not mandatory. Again, you can do data guide without that. But
Okay.
it's important if for this exercise, it's important because we are going to perform switch over and switch back operations.
Okay.
Makes sense.
This is the nickname. Server. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at like this.
Sometimes it's always better to use LS, okay, instead of
Okay.
LS is easier for you.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Mm.
What is this location for, please? Maybe I'm not paying attention.
FRA for it was for this.
So that means there's archive log missing, right?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay. That means there's /archive log missing, correct?
Yeah. I'm gonna issue it here.
Oh, okay, I saw it now. Since we use file name convert, okay, can you just those files?
Can we just what?
Rename them, right? It's now gold STB, it's no longer gold.
Oh,
No, it's fine. Only for that one. Only for that one.
Only this one, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. How do you rename again? Is it MV?
Wow. You have a lot of directories here. What are you doing with all this stuff?
Oh, this is not my server.
Wow. Just MV, right? MV
Oh
Gold.
yeah. MV Gold.
Is yeah, the new name. Okay. Yeah, do the same there. Do the same for the array.
So am I renaming this one as well?
Let me see something. When you use the GBFI name convert, where are your control file located? All your control files are under Oradata Gold.
Control files?
Yes,
Or
of the
redo?
primary. The control file of the primary.
No, one is in Oradata and one is in Gold. Oradata / Gold, and one is in FRA, I mean.
Oh, that means you need to add something on that log archive. Log file name convert, right? GBFI name convert, sorry.
What do I need to add?
See, what you added now, GBFI name convert, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Only for Oradata Gold. Okay, but we know that another copy is in different location. So you need to add another value on that GBFI name convert.
For one, my control files?
Yes.
Okay.
Put comma, you put the part of the control file, the second copy of the control file. Where is it located? No. Okay.
Wait. So
these two, right? We convert whatever is Oradata Gold and we put it in Oradata Gold STB. Okay. Now, what about the other control file that was located in Oradata FRA? You have to specify it there, right? Oradata.
Is it in /Oradata /
/FRA/Gold. You can check. You can validate that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so /Gold.
Okay. You close, you put slash.
Mm-hmm.
Put slash at the end, please. Okay, now where do you want the second copy of the control file to go? You want it to go to the same location as the first copy, or you still want it to go to the FRA on the standby?
I want it to go to the FRA of the standby.
All right, so that means specify the path there.
So is it going to be called name Gold STB as well?
It's up to you. That's what I'm saying. You can name them so that you have one naming convention. No,
that means I have to create it.
Correct. No, okay, go ahead.
Now, do I have to do one for
Put a string. Put a string, please. Yes, I think you may need to run that command again on the primary, and okay, so that it can be updated in the P file, right?
Yes. So do I have to do for this one, for the F? Okay, I already have that. Okay,
Yeah.
no, never mind. So I'll have to create this.
It's saying what? Wait.
Mash.
Yeah, so you can run that command again on the primary, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Since you just updated it, you run it there, you may need to bounce the database again. Yeah.
Tamasha.
Okay, so. All right, so I did this one.
It's already created.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
All right, so now I go add this in the Etsy. Okay.
The P file, the standby, okay? The GB file name, with the GB file name convert, okay?
I'm sorry?
Remember to update the P file standby with the GB file name convert. You know
Yes.
that you updated the GB file name convert, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay, so it's just gonna be the same. Hmm. Oh, I didn't create P file from SB file.
No, it's fine. You can just add it here. You can just add it here. That's fine. I think that's the only thing you updated, right? So you can just add it right here.
Okay. What am I doing?
Add the or data FRA stuff for the control file.
Okay, I will. That was the primary.
Yeah, but all those parameters should also be on the standby.
Yeah. I'll have to go.
It's over there. Just paste it there.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Save it.
We might as well start editing it here.
Okay, yes, you can do that now.
So
DB name, you want to change the DB name? Are you sure?
Oh, no. My bad. Give me unique name. And then switch this up. Listener is number 3. And then,
Okay, that destination exists, right? You can keep it like that.
no. I'll leave this one like that because
Yeah, you already have it. So okay,
okay. So this is all I have to.
yeah.
Okay. Mm. Mm. See this? Why is it looking like this?
Oh.
Mm. What did I do? Mm.
When?
Mm. Let me edit. Why is this still Alright, so I did this, I did this. I did this, did this, did that, did that, did that. Okay.
It's working.
Well, I'm still trying to do it. Oh, you mean the,
The listener to buff.
hold on.
Oh, you want to check that later on or what?
No, I can do, I'll do that now. Okay, this is listener 3. Hmm. Okay. Gold. Okay, so this- this is good. Let's try this one. Um, Okay, so I have gold. Okay, yes, the listener is good. Why does he always say that? Don't get that a bit. And this is my password.
You saw that English out?
Just copy that password file and send it to the standby. Okay. Oh, the error is different.
It says error from now is the auxiliary database could not resolve the connection identifier.
The HNS ping succeeded
It did.
on both primary and standby.
Yeah. It did succeed here. Oh, I didn't do it here. Yes. Mm. Okay, so this is for the other one. Mm. I'm supposed to be in this database. Oh, I didn't even edit it. Okay. That's what the problem was. Mm.
Hold on, please. Hold on. Go back there, please. The listener port is the same, right?
Yeah, everything is fine.
Okay.
It's the,
Okay. I'm asking the listener port of the standby. You know the listener port, is it 21?
yeah, that's it. I've been using this database since, so I know it's this one.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And the other entry for this is right here.
Okay.
Okay. Error from auxiliary database. So copy the password file.
Yeah, just copy that.
Okay. SC start command. W. All right. So does that mean it's going to be 2 password files?
No, you just the listening one.
Oh,
If it finds similar name there, you just override it.
okay. All right. Why is it doing that? I don't understand. I didn't change any password or anything.
Were you in the morning session? I don't know.
I jumped just for a little bit. I don't.
Okay, But I think I said that we always have to recreate the password file. And I think I provided a command that I saw it on your script here. The
Is it
command
this one?
the file. It's
This
recommended to,
one?
yes, yes. It's recommended to do that, to recreate a password file.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Mhm.
Oracle not available. Which
Is
directory
it?
is not available?
Mhm.
No such file directory. Not started. Are you sure you started a P file in normal?
It's,
It should be not.
yeah,
It should be not mounted, right?
yeah, it's not mounted.
It should be in no mount stage, not. Try to crash it. Try to shut it down and start in no mount again.
Like shut down abort.
Up to you. You can do about immediate.
And then start up with the.
Start up using that P file, right? Start up using the P file you use.
Okay.
Start on normal P file, space P file. Equal. Isn't that how you started it before?
I did, but like I don't know why I have to. I
Which
already
command did you-
specified the P file, so
Okay,
why
yes,
do I?
yes, that's the command I'm talking about. Just do it again. You never know
Okay.
what happen. Okay, just exit. Try to connect to Arman again and see. It should be not mounted.
Oh, not started. Okay.
Why is it showing up? Should that look not started?
I think it has always been like that.
Like this.
I think so.
1 second. I don't know. I don't remember. Started? Really? Let me give me 1 second. I check. It's not mounted. It should be not mounted.
Not mounted.
Yes,
Okay.
it should show us not mounted. Oh, some people are waiting in the waiting room.
Okay. So should I create a SP file from P file?
Why is it showing us not started? That is what is weird. Try to shut it down again. Try to exit and PS-EF get Pmon. Okay. Why is it showing not started? It should be not mounted. Okay. Just reload the listeners and try again. Reload pop listeners and try again.
Okay. And then go ahead and start.
Yeah, try to start it again. Okay, let me see something very interesting I want to check. What is the, show me the databases here on the listener. Listener state,
Okay.
yeah. Is it gold and what?
These two and these two.
Okay, gold is showing as unknown and the other one unknown. Okay, this one is standby. Show me for the primary, please.
Okay. One ready, one unknown.
Yeah. What about the other one below? Is what?
I don't know.
Okay. It's a service anyway, the service in the P5. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. All right, it looks fine. I'm not seeing.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, so try again to connect. Yeah.
Wait, did I reload it?
Oh, did you not?
No, not yet. But it's already showing, so. Okay. So here. Mm, So it's not started.
Very wait. Check your P5.
My what? My P file.
Standby P5, yeah. Standby P5. Yeah, this issue with the P5. The standby, it's not the primary.
Mm.
Okay, try to comment out DB unique name. Comment that one out and try again to start with that. Okay. Save it. Do you save it?
Nope. Let me save it. So just shut down here.
Yes, shut down and try to start it again.
Okay.
You have the command in front of you. And just copy
Yes.
and paste.
What I do? So
There is something wrong. There is something wrong.
so where could the problem be though? From the standby, right?
Yes, because try to issue this same command from the standby. Let's see. Yeah, try to connect to Arman from the standby.
Okay. Mm.
Yeah, you need one more.
You can just copy that same command on the primary, come and paste it here.
Sorry, can you come again?
You can just copy that, right? Come and paste here. The command you are trying there, yeah.
The whole command, or you just want to connect?
The element tag, the whole command to connect, right? Yes, that one. That
This
one.
whole thing?
Yes.
Okay.
Not started. Very weird. Okay. The Arman is saying that has not started. Arman is not started.
Yeah, I should say not mounted.
Check the listener that order of the primary. Let's show me that, please. Okay. SID name is what? SID goal STB. Okay. Okay. Show me that the TNS name order. Where is the other one? Okay, wait for the standby.
You have, this is for the standby.
Service name equal. Can you replace that? Let's test something. Replace service name by SIG. Okay. Replace service name by SIG and you put gold there. Yeah. Do the same for gold. Put SIG there.
SID name or just SID?
SIG.
Okay.
Do the same on the standby as well.
Okay.
Yeah, just a test. I want to check something.
So, oh, not here, not the listener.
Not listener, not no. The listener is fine. Just do the TNS.
And change here to gold.
Okay.
And then just reload or?
Just exit and come back. Try to come back. Try to come back first.
Come back.
Try to connect back. Try to connect back. No, try to connect Arman. Connect Arman. Arman.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's try to connect straight to Arman. Okay, go and shut down. Go and shut down the P file and operate it again. Start it back up again.
Shut down the database.
Yeah. That is very weak. Very weak. Very weak. Don't know what could have caused it.
Could the reason that I use, because this database I had it before, then I deleted it.
What?
Could that be one of the reasons?
God STD?
Yeah, the gold in general, yes.
What about Gold STB?
Yes, I had a whole, I configured DataGuard on both of them, on both servers.
Using Gold STB as well for a standby?
Yes.
Let's just change it and let's put Gold_STB. So just go on your P file and all those, and let's change it, okay? And see.
Okay, so.
Yes, let's see, maybe that could have been there because you configured the broker, right?
I did, yes.
Yeah, I see. So wherever you have Gold STB, just put _.
What,
Let's-
like just the
Let's start
P
with the P
file?
file. Yeah, let's start with the P file after we go to the network file, okay?
Okay, and those are the only places, right? The directories are fine.
Yeah, the directory, you can keep them like that, or if you want, you can also rename. It doesn't matter. Directory doesn't matter.
So.
Wherever you had Gold STB, no, Gold STB somewhere there, you just change it by Gold_STB.
So that means I'll have to create these directories then.
Not mandatory. You can keep the directories as they are.
Okay, but just
Yeah.
right here,
Yeah.
the DB unique name.
Correct. Are
Okay.
you sure these directories are not populated? Since
What
they
do you
were
mean?
existing.
No, I made sure I deleted everything. Okay,
Okay.
I know this might probably waste time, but I have another free database. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, because I mean, we already. So we just created these ones.
We can keep the directory the way they are. Just replace the GB. Okay, let me just show you what you have to do. Just change the file server. Yes.
Okay. So let me not comment this out.
Okay, yes. Put _gold_STB. No, just put between Gold and STB. Okay. Just do the same. Yeah. Just do the same on log archive desk. Do that there as well. Okay. Log archive desk is below. Yeah.
Do I have to change? Okay.
Okay. Okay. This one looks fine. We're not touching directories. Okay. Don't worry about directories. So go to the P file, the primary. You do the same. We shut down the primary, we create the P file from P file again.
Okay.
I think that can be an issue. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, file server. Server, okay. Okay. Service, okay, good. All right, so save this one. So, okay. So now the listener files. Yeah. Okay. Good. Just save it. CNS name. Just put underscore. No, good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just save it.
I change this back to,
No, you can keep that one as well.
okay.
Okay. You do the same on the other side.
I think we already did the P file here.
Yeah. Let's just work on the network file, right? I think we work on the P file already. So we're good. Okay. CNS name Aura. Okay. Save it. All right. Just go on the primary shutdown. Shut it. Shut down immediate. Create SP file from P file and start up. Okay. Now the other one you shut it. The standby you shut it down. You start again using the new P using the P file. Go to the standby server. Make sure you follow the listener. Okay. So
Okay.
okay. So it's already. So start it up. Start it.
Start
Just
up,
copy the command somewhere. And paste it.
yeah. Mm.
Okay. Hold bot listener, right? Since you updated
Yes.
Aura. So, okay.
Okay.
One second. I see the. Show me that one
This
again.
right? I
Why
don't
is it
know.
showing? Yes. Why is it showing that?
I don't know, but can this instance go with this instead of this one?
Where do we have 12C added somewhere? 12C, you have GB12C somewhere.
I don't know.
Can you check again those CNS log listener.aura of the standby?
Yeah.
Where are we having GB12C?
Nowhere.
Okay. Go to the CNS.aura of this guy.
TNS.
Yeah. Okay, you had listener 3. Okay. Okay.
So is that the reason why there is the 12C there?
No. Which listener are you using? Listener 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, just go down. It's fine.
Okay.
Why are we having that? Where is it coming from? Hold up that listener. Check the status again. Check the status. Let's see. Okay.
Status of the listener.
Instance DB12C. Why is it showing instance 12C?
Hmm.
What do you, which instance are you working on now? Do you know the environment?
I did.
Try to kill this instance. Kill this instance. Let's see. Kill this instance.
Okay. What do you mean, kill?
Yes, kill.
Okay.
Oh, maybe I'm suspecting that DB unique name we did not comment out. Because you should not. Okay, kill this instance. Just kill this one. Let's try again to start our instance.
You say you think that we did not comment it out?
Let's try something.
Because
Just,
I remember when I tried to issue that command, to create the P file, it gave me that error too. It
where?
gave me, let's see. Right here somewhere. Wait.
Anyway, just you kill that thing, right? Just okay. I see an error of the start of the.
Yeah.
Just connect back again. Connect back. Set the environment dot space aura env dot space aura env and.
Oh, you know what? I didn't set the environment.
Okay.
I did not set my environment. I think that's it. Oh my gosh. Okay.
You never said. Maybe that's why.
Yeah, I didn't set the environment. That's why.
The listener is failing since because of that. So
Oops.
startup mount, no mount. That's why the armor was failing to connect. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My bad.
Good to see. Good to have errors like this.
Yeah, I need to add that somewhere. Ah,
So,
jeez.
okay. So you can.
Gaetan, could that be considered a scenario?
No, please don't even use that.
What, that would be negligence.
Yeah, don't use that, please.
Oh, come on, man. Oh, I need to change this.
Yes, gold_STB. You can just put it right away now. Yes. Okay, good. All right. That's
There
what
we
we want
go.
to see.
So all this because I didn't set the environment. Wow. Yes. Really? Mm.
Unable to create file. Okay, exit. Show me that exit, please. Okay, go to the P file. Go to the P file.
Of this?
Standby P file, yes. Yes, I'm suspecting something. Go to the standby P file. Okay. Try to, if any SP file was created, you have to delete it, okay? Point the control file to the, to gold STB. Yes, try to point it to gold STB.
Here as well?
Yes. That's where we want them to. No, we don't have gold underscore STB directory. We have gold STB.
Oh. But why am I pointing it there? I don't understand.
Because that is where we want our files to go, right?
Yeah.
That's where we want all our files to go, right?
Mhm.
I thought they are in two different locations. One should be gold and the other one should be gold STB for the control
Gold is
files.
primary, right?
No,
Gold is
one is
primary,
in
right?
FRA and one is in Oradata.
Okay.
Okay, so go back. Okay, delete any SP file that was created. Refresh it. I think an
SP file.
yes, there's an SP file that got created. You have to delete it. Refresh and delete the SP file that's been created. No SP file?
No, I didn't create SP file from P file.
No,
Should I
okay.
do that?
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
I thought it was already created. So just go then again, shut down and call Arman again.
Okay. So it didn't create, right? Anything.
No, it should not. It did not.
Okay. Oh, come on.
That's okay. Profile.
So just go to that standby. Okay, you shut down the P file. You shut down. You start up again the P file. Okay, just copy and put. Yes, that's the line. Correct. Okay. Go to the primary and call again. Try again. The duplicate. Connect to Arman, right? Okay.
Okay.
Is it a container or not container?
Non-container.
Okay.
Oh, look at, I even put it here. Set environment first.
Where is this load? Okay. Let's go to the standby now.
Yep.
Okay, shut down. Shut down and start up normal. Start up now. Just startup mount. I think by default it's using the SP file already. So
I don't think I created one.
no, but by default Alma will create it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Just startup mount. I think Alma will create an SP file for you automatically. All
In
right.
other words, if you create another one, it's going to be a double P files. Is that what you mean?
Now, if you create another one, maybe you added. Let's assume that in the meantime you added another parameter in the P file, right? So the SP file will pick up that new parameter. It's true.
Okay.
There's nothing we add on the P file. Okay, it's possible to still create the SP file from P file, but I just want you guys to know that Alma will create the SP file for you.
Okay.
You can check in the location, even on WinSCP, you will see that there. Okay, to validate, you can check so that everybody knows that we don't need to create it ourselves. Just refresh it. Do you see SP file gold somewhere?
No,
No?
no.
Is it the standby or the primary?
This is the standby. This is the primary.
Normally you should create it. That's weird. Okay, so if you
Primary. So go ahead and shut down and create.
just create it then. Why is it not?
Okay.
Okay, so now I don't want you to shut down about it again, okay? So you shut down about something that's not yet created. So
SP.
all right, so shut down immediate and starting mount. Let's see. All right, so all right, now we are getting to the serious area. Okay. Okay. So okay.
Do we want to check if they're in sync?
No, not yet.
Okay.
App is not started. So select name from Vidula, do all the select name from Vidula file. Select name from Vidula log file so that you guys can see that now the naming convention is what you want. Okay, select member from Vidula log file. Member. Now you see it looks like as you want, right? So
Yeah.
their name Brudu 0102. It make things easier for you when you want to switch back. Okay.
Okay.
Select name from Vidula control file. One word, right?
Yeah.
That's one word.
Oh, I don't like typing.
Learn now, right? All right, good. Okay, so they look good. Okay, so now let's start the MRP.
Okay.
Real time apply, right? Yeah.
Hello, guys.
Hi.
Well done, Anita.
Thank you. Now I've learned something new. I feel like everything I've been doing, it was wrong. Okay.
So,
what now?
Okay, so now you can check. Yes, you can check the synchronization, right? Yes, check whether they're in sync, whether everything's working. Okay, applying log. I like that. I want to see applying log.
Okay.
That's the biggest requirement on this stuff. So connect to SQL. Yes.
And
Okay.
then,
Yeah. Okay. Perform some switch logs. Yeah, log switch. Okay. Go and check the standby if MRP is receiving that. Let's put slash. Okay.
it's good.
Good. So this is what I want to see applying log. I don't want to see wait for log. If it's wait for log, it means that if you guys see wait for log and you see a sequence number here, it means the MRP is still waiting for that log. But when you say applying, it means the MRP is actually applying that log. So it's very good like this. Okay, so successful configuration. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Do we have to check for errors?
check, let's see. Error will not matter that much.
Mr. Gaetan,
Let's see.
Mr. Gaetan.
Yes, sir. You just came in?
Nah, I've been here.
Oh, you were just quiet. Okay. Yes, sir. I'm listening.
Is it possible to because I noticed when I created a standby, the process, the MRP was already activated. I don't know how that was possible, and logs were applying.
When you were doing a switchover or right after you created it?
Right after I created it, I checked the log. I checked to see if they were in sync. They were, and I just went to the primary. I did some switch logs, and I came and saw that they were applying, but I didn't activate the MRP.
Maybe there's okay. I think that was right after the configuration.
Right. Yes.
Oh, very weird. Very weird. Yeah, very weird. I can just tell you that because for me it's normal whenever I have the broker. It's very normal for the MRP to come back up automatically. So maybe the step you were using, that person automatically enable auto restart of the MRP. Okay. So
okay.
That's what I'm suspecting because in an environment, that's how it is. Real environment, we almost never start the MRP manually. So in real environment, the MRP is auto restarted. So whenever the database was down, whenever you start the database in mount stage, automatically the MRP will come back up. So maybe the step you used, that guy automatically, right, enable auto restart of the MRP process.
So I was the one who, not that guy.
No, where you got the script from, right?
Okay.
Where you got the step from, I mean, the person who built the documentation for that, that's what I mean. Right. What are you doing?
Because I was really wondering.
Oh, okay. Yeah, even myself, I'm wondering how, as soon as you are done with right after Armand duplicate, the MRP will come up. That's what, for me, it's great. I would like to see, the steps. So do you check the errors on both primary and standby? Ms. Anita?
Yes, no errors.
Okay, very good.
On to the real stuff.
Okay, yes. Have had too much time, you do everything on the broker, okay? Switch over, whatever.
Oh, really? I really wanted to learn how to do it manually.
No, switch over and switch back. The way you do it manually will still work.
Okay.
You can do it manually. It will still work, it's not an issue. But when you have the broker configured, it becomes useless to do it manually. You do it manually when the broker is not configured.
All right, so now we just have to go ahead and configure the broker.
Yes.
Okay.
You guys know how to change protection mode, right? You guys know that, right? So.
Yeah. So actually, when you change protection mode, do you have to edit your P file? you know, you have to alter your block destination.
I don't think so. You just have to, there's a command, right? Maximize protection, right?
Yes, so you don't have to change anything to the prefab because I know that for protection, it has to be sync and affirm.
Yes,
Because you have to specify all those things in the P file.
when you do maximize, if you check, you will see that automatically Oracle will change in the background.
Okay. Okay.
When you issue alter system or alter database, set standby, whatever, right?
Mm-hmm.
Automatically in the background, that parameter will be updated. You can pay attention to that. Okay. The next time you don't issue that, okay, you just type alter database, maximize availability or whatever, and check and issue show parameter log archive. You will see that it's already changed.
Because I remember yesterday when we were doing it, it didn't change.
Did not change it?
I don't think it changed when we were switching from protection to performance.
Protection to performance. But protection need the database to be mounted, right?
Yeah, that's what we did.
Anyways,
okay. Anyways.
Let me check that. I don't remember myself. I'm just trying to. Let me protection mode.
Mm-hmm. All right, so I have to.
Just keep one entry, okay? Put gold underscore GGM GRI. That's it. Copy, delete.
Okay, my question now is that in the
listener order, only one entry, please. Don't.
Okay.
Don't differentiate.
So it could be on gold this entry, or it can also be on the other entry.
What do you mean by that, please?
It can be on gold STD, and it can also be on gold, like just gold, right?
No. Only one entry of the broker. Only one.
What I'm asking is, you know that in the listener name, in the listener of the standby, you have to add 2 entries. So could it be on either one? So in other words, could I decide to put it here?
No.
Or it has to be on the main one?
Yes. You will put gold underscore broker, okay? And yes, this block, the same block is the one you will put on the standby. You don't put it twice, only one.
Yes, I understand that. Okay, I'm just wondering, can I put it for the other? Never mind. It's fine.
No. I will not advise you to do that, okay? I will not advise you to do that.
Okay, what I'm asking is, would it be okay if I came here and I did for the standby database instead? So instead of doing it this way, I'll also add the extension on here instead of just gold.
Yes, you can do that.
Okay, but it has to match the other database. Okay.
Correct, yes. Yes, you can do that.
Okay. I don't know why this looks funny like this.
make sure you copy properly.
Yes. GRL. CTL. Reload. Okay, it's right here. CTL. Yeah.
Okay, so after you do this, before you perform the switchover, okay, right after the broker configuration, the best time now will be for you now to create a guarantee restore point.
Okay. So after okay.
After you configure the broker, okay?
Right.
I mean, before the switchover anyway, okay? So,
All right. Why did I do that?
you do the same on the standby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So it means your primary in broker will be named gold_GB. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, because I want
So
you to.
can it be named the same? Gold,
Yes.
gold?
Yes, it can. It can. of course.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Then I want it to be named gold, gold.
Semicolon, semicolon.
Oh.
Oh, connect identifier. Yeah, you need to put the gold, right?
Yes, what am I doing?
I think you are missing something, right? Connect identifier is gold. See the end. Yeah, you missed is gold.
Okay, thank you.
Cancel this one then.
Can I just exit?
Yeah, exit then.
Oh, yeah.
What can I put here? How to exit from there? I don't remember. Control-C multiple times. No. Okay. Okay, just put semicolon. Just put semicolon, hit enter. Semicolon. All right. So paste it again. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Add a standby, yes.
Oh no, I just want to make it uniform.
Okay, good, yeah. Yeah, very good, yeah.
Okay, primary standby. I have to show the database. It already says there.
Gold_STB, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, here it should always say point to 0. Transport lock and apply lock should be 0 before you perform a switchover. Okay.
Okay, so what, and then what now?
Okay.
You want to check the other one?
It's up to you. You can do that. You know, you just messed up your script, right?
I just messed up.
Mm-hmm. You know why?
How?
Because you just replace all the gold STB by gold_STB. So it means that even the directory will change, right?
Okay, I'll just double check. Oh,
Yes.
I think, did I? All right, I reversed it. Did I?
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
I reversed it.
Good. Okay. I'm talking about, the physical directory you created before. So
Yeah.
if you change it, it will affect those directories.
Well, but the thing is, this is a different script. So this,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, so now we want to do the switchover. You say we want to do it with the broker?
It's up to you guys. What do you guys want to do?
We don't want to get stuck, that's for sure.
Anyway, the goal is to switch over and to be able to come back. Okay, that's the primary goal. The switch over
So,
always work.
so can we switch over with the broker and then come back with manually?
Yes.
Okay.
Did we do the restore point yet?
Create the
Oh,
yes,
yeah, thank you.
Both on the primary and standby. Guarantee restore point, not the regular restore point.
Okay. Okay. So it's create, guarantee. Actually, I didn't even take it out from this other one. No, it's not this. Mm. Okay, but then I didn't enable flashback here, so I'll just do these ones.
By default, it's already enabled. It's already enabled.
Oh, it is.
You can issue, right? You can issue, I don't know, which parameter do you check if flashback is on? Select flashback _ on from Visual database.
Mm.
Flashback _ on from Visual database. Okay, we want to. Okay.
On from $. It says no.
No?
No.
Oh, okay. Granted then.
Okay.
Was supposed to be on the P5.
Do I have to
The MRP is running.
yeah,
We need to stop the MRP.
okay. Mm. Okay.
Start the MRP.
Mm. Real time.
Yes, yes, of course.
I'm sorry.
Yes, sure.
All right.
Okay. So we did a switch over with the broker, and as I said, we will switch back with the broker as well, and you can do it again together later on manually. Okay, it's totally fine.
Yeah,
So
so you don't want to show us how to do it manually?
you had the command, right? Those commands are correct.
They are correct, like
Yes.
the same procedure, like the as it is.
Those steps, as I say, right? After database commit to switch over.
Okay.
They are correct. I'm not saying they are wrong. They are very correct. It will not fail if you decide to do that. Okay, now for a switchover, you need to connect as sysdba because the sys user may need to connect to the standby database. So sysdataguy doesn't have the privilege to connect as, okay? So that means you need to exit and here, type gtm grl.
So is that just for the switch over?
Yes, for the switchover failover.
Okay.
Space, sys, you put sys, you put the passport.
Sys slash.
Yeah. And at Put at, yeah, put the primary board, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now you're connected at 6 dBA. Now he has the privilege to perform the switchover.
Okay.
And put help switchover, yeah.
Switch. Yeah. Switch over to gold. So I have to specify the name I gave here, right?
Yes.
To the broker. Okay.
Correct.
Um, mm.
Okay. So for some of you, okay, you may have the switchover and it shows TNS connection, whatever. Okay. So it should not be an issue because sometimes the way you can set up your listener, you may not use the local listener parameter. And the local listener, and you specify local listener name as she did. Okay. So you may have TNS something over there. That should not be an issue. Okay. So the only thing is that the new standby will be in shutdown mode. So you may just need to start it back up in mount state. Okay. So, all right. So she can check the configuration again.
Okay. Show configuration.
Yeah. Show database.
Okay. Yeah.
Show database.
It's
The new
switched.
show database. Now show database. Show database. I want to see there's a gap.
Database what?
Any of them, both of them.
Okay.
Okay, you see the gap is 0.
Where is the gap?
Apply that.
Okay, that will be the gap. Okay.
Yeah. So since it's 0, she can switch back. But if it's not 0, she cannot. So you can go ahead and check your MRP, everything if it's running.
All right. So that means it's right here.
Yes.
Mr. Gata,
Yes, sir.
I wanted to ask if we're gonna configure the fast start failover.
You cannot because you don't have the observer configured here.
Oh,
Okay, you need an observer. The observer is another type of configuration like the broker.
it's
Okay.
a tool.
Come again, please.
Is it a utility?
Yes, yeah, it's a tool like the broker, and the observer will be on a different server.
Okay, because I attempted, but I failed.
Yes, we will simulate a failover. Okay, we simulate a crash, but what the difference will be that we do it the failover manually.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you can now is the primary, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So do some log switches.
Yes, please.
Okay. All right, even check here.
Okay. Applying lock. Very nice. All right, so it's working. So let's switch back.
All right, so it doesn't matter which database you call it from, right?
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Okay, let me do it from here again. And then I always have to connect as this guy.
Yes.
But so do I have to specify which? Let's see.
I would prefer to use the primary, the primary every time I'm connecting to the broker assist.
Okay, okay, so it's gonna be gold.
Now, the new primary is what? Gold underscore STB, right?
Oh, it has to be the new primary.
Myself, I prefer. Okay, you can try gold. I don't know.
I don't want to crash it.
Why are you afraid? You have flashback, right?
Okay, so hold on. How did we connect before?
The same way.
Oh, I was on this right here.
Yeah, the same way, but the difference is that you used gold instead of gold STB.
So you say it's always better to connect as the primary database. Okay.
I never say it's better, right? But I said that is what
You
I
prefer. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so switch over to so this is now gold. So gold. All right, this is confusing.
No.
So
Show
this is now
configuration,
gold
please.
STD.
Show configuration, please. Show configuration.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand why you confused. Show configuration. Okay, you can see here now that the primary is now gold STD. The standby is gold.
Okay, so switch
want to
over to
come back.
gold STB.
No, switch over to gold. You want to come back, right?
Mm-hmm.
Who was the primary first? The primary was gold, right?
Gold, yes.
And you switch over, and now the primary is gold STB. Okay? Now we are doing a switch back. So we are switching back to the primary. So let's assume you are performing, see how it works. We are not just doing, we are doing it here not lightly, but in the environment, how does it work? Let's assume there's a server patching, okay? So we are patching a server in my environment. And that patching requires the database to be down, because you guys will do upgrade and patching. You will see that the database should be it should be shut down. So because I don't want the application to be down as well, okay, what I will do will be that I will perform a manual switchover so that the application can be redirected to the standby while I'm doing my maintenance. And once I'm done, I switch back. That's why you guys are switching over and switching back. Okay? So, okay. So that means we will switch back to the initial production.
Okay, so switch over to gold.
Correct. Okay, so after this, okay. One more thing makes this operation, not being that realistic. One more thing. What? I think I explained to you guys the benefit of database services when it comes to switchover. Did I or not?
Vaguely. Oh, the parameter, the fall.
No.
File.
Did I explain the benefit of database services when we are doing failover or switchover?
No, you say go spend this one in the rack. I think you go spend this one later on.
Okay.
Maybe it.
But with services, okay, the application team connect to databases using services. So what happened is you will create a service. What happen? Okay, you see here, it's saying that is what you should see. That should not be an issue for you. Okay. So go to the new standby. Which one is the standby? Yes, so just exit there. Just exit, come back. You will see that it's down. Come back. Okay, so you start up mount. Just start up mount. Automatically the MRP will be started. So sometimes it can happen. Okay, so whenever the network is very poor, sometimes it can fail like that. And it did not fail. Okay, it's just that the listener. So you can check the MRP status. You see that the MRP should be running. You don't need to start it. Just run the that command. Normally it should be running. Okay. It's not running? Your configuration is very weak. I don't know if there's something that's very, very weak. I may need to check your some of the script you performed earlier. Okay, just start the MRP then. I may need to check some do script.
What do you mean? Okay.
It
was started.
Restarted normally. After when you are the broker,
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it should be auto restarted. Just copy that one and paste it. Very weak. You see?
So it shows. So why is it not showing up here?
It was taking time, you know. It was just coming back up because we ran it very fast. You see now that it's saying that something's already running.
Okay.
It should be running. Okay, check the MRP status again. Okay.
Oh,
yes.
That's the wrong command. My bad.
It should be running. That's why I was, because you see that it was already running. You see?
Yeah.
In time to come back up. Normally, after you switch over, when you put the mount stage, automatically the MRP should come back up.
Okay.
Okay. So you guys perform a switch over and switch back. Okay. So I was saying that one more thing makes it not be 100% realistic because I don't know if you ask yourself how the application, if you had an application on a database, how will they switch as well from the primary to the standby? Okay, that should be another question you should ask. Okay, so that's what makes it incomplete because you guys will create what we call services. Let me give you a good document on creating services so that you understand what I'm saying. I found it very important for you guys, and I want to give it to you so that you at least you read it, you save it. Why am I saying that? Because database services connect to the application, connect to databases using services. Applications connect to databases using services. Normally, the application doesn't connect. That's why on the channel in the order, most of the time you guys say service underscore name, okay? Because application connect to databases using services. Now, let's take a simple scenario. That service now should be created on the primary database. And you should create it such a way that that service will be running only on primary databases. What do I mean by that? Again, I repeat, you will create a database service so that it runs only on primary databases. That means what? If I perform a switchover, the new primary that comes in, right, that service will run on that. So that the service is meant to run only on primary databases. So it means that while you are creating a service, you will enable what we call transparent application failover, and I will explain it on RAC very deeply. Okay, so I just wanted to give a briefing about how I give a document on how to create those services. You can even do that yourself, and you will see when you perform a failover how the service will move from one database to another one. Let me see if I can find the document online or wherever. I found a very good document. Database service. And connectivity to database service. Okay. So this document is from GBA Genesis. Very good document. Very, very good. Used in real life environment. So you guys can copy from the chat and keep it anywhere, okay? Keep it somewhere. This is used in real environment. So that is how we want the service to run so that the application, otherwise the application will go down. So this is very important. Okay. So you guys, you will go through that, okay, each of you, and you will see how good it is. Okay, so now let's simulate a failover now. Let's simulate a crash. You do a manual failover.
Crash. We have to.
So we have flashback, so we're good. Okay, so where's your primary now? Where's your new primary? Where's your primary?
It's back to normal. This is primary.
Correct. Yes, exit.
Yes.
All right. So, okay. Physical standby. Okay. Exit that primary. Let's simulate a crash. Hit the instance at the OS level.
What am I doing?
Exit and kill the instance. That's the crash, right? Whenever I kill, it's a shutdown abort. So.
Oh, you wanted me to shut down a board?
No, go ahead, kill. I want to kill. Kill the one, yes. Kill the one we good or what? Yeah. Okay. Just crash it. Connect to the broker. Connect to the broker using the standby. Yes, good.
So I have to for.
Now you have to. Yes.
Oh yeah. So for failover and switch over, I have to use SysDB.
Okay. Yes. Correct. Show configuration.
Okay.
Okay. What happened available? So normally, if something like this crashes, okay, you will have a ticket in your environment. Automatically, the GBA will get notified. Okay. So, okay. So now just do a failover.
Okay.
Failover 2. That's it.
So.
Just put
and then I have to specify, right?
The standby. Yeah.
Oh,
all right. Show configuration again.
Oh, that's all you gotta do.
That's all. You can see how fast it is. Faster than the switchover. Okay. So now you guys can see now that the database is no longer not available. Now that the primary database has to be reinstated. Reinstated just means that you want the broker will ensure that after you bring back, because what happened is our primary crashed, okay? Let's assume that, okay, we are trying to bring it back at least to the mount stage, and let's assume that, okay, we are having, okay, maybe a gap, okay? So we may need to reinstate that so that the broker will make sure that the MRP is running and also that all the lock moving from the primary are being shipped to the standby, okay? So you go to the primary now and try to bring it back in mount stage.
So this is a new primary.
And the standby, sorry, the new standby. Because it crashed, right? It's now the standby.
What? So we just.
Which one is the new standby now?
So during the failover, it switches around, right? Okay.
Exactly.
So
Which one is the new standby then?
Standby, it has to be this one. It's
Which
gold.
one is the standby? Good. Okay. So that means gold is down, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you need to bring it back in mount stage.
Okay. In other words, is there a good way to know which database you're actually working on?
You can see here by the GB unique name. When you see GB unique name, you should know whether it's a primary or standby, right?
Oh yeah, okay, so it doesn't matter which booty you're working on.
No, it doesn't matter from where you are. You can work on any terminal from the primary or from the standby, it's fine.
Okay, so what am I trying to do?
Okay, what do you think we should do now?
To fix the physical, the standby.
Okay, so then let's go and see if you can fix that.
So exit.
Correct. Okay, try to see if you can mount it.
No mount.
Mount. Since the control file is not corrupted, it should be mounted. But you know you cannot just open, it's normal. Just attempt to open to see an error.
So okay.
It's not normal to open, right? But just attempt. I just want you guys to be curious. All right. What do you mean? What does it say?
Possible failover to another database prevent this database from being open.
You know why? You know why we are having this error? Who can tell me why we are having this error?
Because this is now the standby.
It's not a standby. We already fell over, so it can be open. It can be open. Okay, so now let's go to the broker again. Now reinstate that. You need not to reinstate.
Should this be Go SCB? Okay, you say it doesn't matter.
Okay, so okay, so sorry, I'm not seeing your screen. So I just issue reinstate. Okay, just issue help here so that you can see the command yourself. Help reinstate. Okay. Yeah, better. Right. So you are trying to reinstate the standby.
Okay. Database. Go.
No. Which one is having an issue? Which one crashed?
It's the gold. Okay.
Okay. You are trying to reinstate that. In case there's a gap, the broker will try to resolve it for you. And then you try to bring the MRP if the MRP cannot come back up and so on. So now show configuration.
Yay.
So reinstate doesn't mean switch over, okay? Reinstate doesn't mean we build it. So you can see now that there's no more error, right?
Mhm.
But the primary is still the standby, and okay, the primary is still gold underscore STB, and the standby is still gold.
So now you do a switch over?
Okay, yes, if you want to come back, you do a switch over, you don't do a failover, okay?
Okay.
Yes, we failover whenever you have a crash, but to come back, we switch over. Make sure there's no gap, first of all. So show database gold. 0 second. All right, so you're good. You can switch over.
Okay. Over to- Okay, hold on. Let me figure this out. So I am switching over
Go.
to gold STB.
Is it go, Anita?
It's
Go.
gold?
Yes.
Okay. This is confusing.
Yes.
Oh,
Hey, Gatan,
Yes, sir.
you mentioned earlier that if the control file of gold were corrupted, how do we know if it's corrupted? And
If it's corrupted, it won't be mounted. The mount, if you start to mount, it will fail. If you state that error identifier control file. Does it make sense what I just said?
yeah, yes.
Okay.
So in
so,
that case, go ahead, Anita.
so the restore point, let's say we had an error, right? So how do we restore it? We just
If the,
restore database to restore point this?
no, you just do flashback to.
Okay.
Yes, you put flashback to restore point, you put the restore point name. That's
Okay.
right. So you do the same, you connect to the new standby, you start it in mount stage, right?
Okay, the new standby is this one.
Yeah. Exit, you come back. Okay, you just start up mount. That's it. All right, the MRP will come back up automatically.
Okay. Flashback database to restore.
Okay, so you guys know how to set a delay, right? I think you guys know that one. Okay, you can, if you want to, you can do the manual failover or manual switchover, okay? If you want to do that now.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So shall we? Let me work on here. Okay, so we already know that the roles here. Sure, let's check. It's fine. Okay. I don't think I have any gaps. I thought you said it should not say invalid here, right?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
What about it?
Okay. This is my primary. to standby. So alter database commit to switch over.
Okay, what is the next step after you perform a switch over? Okay,
It says startup mount,
okay.
and then you go here. Okay, to primary. So
What do you want to do?
commit to switch over to primary.
You want to switch back?
No,
Okay, go ahead. Yes, good.
I'm still performing the first switch over.
Yes, that's correct.
And then, so it,
Our database open, right?
mhm.
Correct? Is it other database open after that?
Yeah, I already did the open. So that
Oh,
means this is now the switch, the other place. So let me see.
check, right? Check.
I want to check if the MRP is working.
Do you start the MRP? Anyway, check first. Check if the role change occurred and start your MRP.
Okay, so. Okay, it did work. So that means now I have to start the MRP on this one.
Careful. Yeah, I see a parenthesis there.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, check now if the synchronization, the MRP is working.
Yeah, okay. So I have log list on the new primary. And then I want to check. Then.
Okay, it's wait for a lock. Be careful. It's wait for a lock, right?
So does it take some time to apply?
No, no. Now it's wait for a lock. Be careful. So it has to be applying lock, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you have to fix this. Check again the state, you put // Okay. How to perform a lock switch is lock switch. Them.
Should say. Okay.
Put /.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's not moving. Oh my goodness.
Very good. Yeah. Check the error. Select error. That command to check errors.
Why is that good?
No.
No, it's not this one. Sorry, I have it.
Right above. I saw that right above the command you wanted to run. Right above.
22.
No.
This one.
No. The
It's not this
command
one.
to run. No, please don't. It's not this terminal. Check the other terminal. Check the others you wanted to run.
This
The one
one?
above, right above. Yeah, that's the one.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. Check for errors. Yeah.
Okay. Paste on the other side. What's inactive?
I think we have to apply the MRP to primary database where we switch.
Okay. This one is the primary or the standby.
This one, the primary.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is primary now.
Okay. Enable show parameter log archive dest. Archive dest. Let's see something.
Oh,
Parameter log underscore archive underscore dest archive underscore dest underscore state underscore state. Yes. Okay. Where is one? One is enabled as well.
yes.
Okay. Try to defer it and enable it again. You know how to defer it, right?
Yeah, I should be able to. Is it the first one that you want?
No. Hold on. It should be the log archives 2, right?
Two?
You should log archives 2. Take this.
Two?
Other system set log archives state underscore 2. Yes. Should be the one to defer. Yes. Equal one string defer. Put in string, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
And then scope equals,
Doesn't matter. So
oh, it doesn't matter.
yeah.
Leave it out.
Yes, leave it like that. Okay, enable it again.
I'm sorry?
Replace defer by enable now.
Okay.
Okay, check again the error. Run that command to check error again. If that error is there. If it's still shown as inactive. Oh. Check whether the standby, this was the primary, okay. Standby destination. Okay. Okay. Try to check how far the MRP is. Okay. Check that. On the other terminal, put slash. The other terminal, check the MRP. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Okay. So, okay. Go to the broker, exit.
Okay, you say it doesn't matter where.
Yeah, exit.
Connect to the broker as.
No, you don't need to connect as any user. Up to you.
Okay.
Either way will work.
DG.
Just put a slash.
GRL. There you go.
Yes, just put a slash. Okay, show configuration there.
Oh, undetected. Oh, jeez. I have a question. So can the broker resolve your gaps if you have gaps?
Normally, fault client and fault server should be the one to do that for you. Power plan and file server should do that for you. Okay. Multiple errors detected for the database. Okay. Try to disable configuration. Type disable configuration. Enable configuration. Yeah. Yes, that's normal. The standby has an issue now. Show configuration. So it definitely means that the failover is not working with the whenever the broker is configured, the manual failover will not work. It's not working. You will have more challenges.
Wait,
okay.
come again. So you said that the failover or the switchover?
Switchover, sorry.
So the switchover is better to do it without configuring the broker first.
If you don't have the broker. Okay, so okay. We may need to check logs and stuff to see if we have some details there. Okay, so go to the standby and show parameter log archive desk 2. Let's see.
This is the standby now.
Yes, go ahead, go there, please.
So show log underscore. Okay. Compression max underscore connection reopen DB unique name gold net time out 30 valid for.
Okay, so what's okay, let's go to the VLCP. Just some few troubleshooting before we log out. Go to the Allelog.
Whichever.
Standby Allelog.
Okay.
Go down. Is there an error there?
I don't know how to detect an error. If it says or something, that's an error.
Yes, that's an error. Whenever
Okay.
that's an error.
All right, so all these don't look like an error to me.
Okay, you may need to check the broker logs if there's no Aura error here. Go up, yes.
Here's one.
What time it happened?
That was like, I don't know my server date.
Yeah, I can see the date there, right? I can see the date on the Allelog.
I mean, not the date, I mean the time.
That's the time, right? 1941.
Yeah.
It's now, it was recently, right?
You can say about 15 minutes ago.
Okay. Okay, that one is fine. Okay. This one is not helpful. Go to the broker log of this in this same location. There's a broker log there. You see the one right above. It's right below the array log. Yeah. I saw it somewhere, right?
Yeah, I think.
Okay.
This one?
Good. Yes. Okay. Go all the way down. Okay. Go up a little bit, little by little. Okay. Stop there. Anyway, the broker is not tracking that because you perform the switchover from manually. So this broker doesn't have it.
So I just wanted to know, so whatever is in this log file will be the same in the broker log file will be the same on the.
No.
Okay, it will be different.
This one is regarding whatever type of any type of operation performed by the broker only. Okay, so just Google that error. Okay, I will advise you to Google that error, and if you guys want to do other practice on this, try to perform the switchover the next time without configuring the broker. Okay, and let's draw a conclusion whether the broker is affecting the switch.
Okay.
So
One more question.
Yeah.
One more question for you. So now I don't know how to resolve this. Would I have to drop this database and start from scratch, or can I just go ahead and try to delete all the information from the standby?
Okay, what do you mean by delete all information?
Like remove the P file, I guess I can do it through DBCA because it's registered in DBCA now, right?
And you want to change stuff?
No, I mean for the standby.
Figure out how we may need to switch it back, okay? Otherwise, it will be useless.
Okay, let's say for instance, if I want to save this database, I don't know how to. I don't know how to switch it back over. So, like, can I start the configuration all over again without having to drop the original database?
Yes, you may need to, because now it's no longer as a regular primary database. It's now as a standby.
All right, cool.
So you may need to, that error you had there, okay, on the broker, just copy that and paste on Google. And
Which I didn't see an error on the broker. Is it?
There was an error, right? You saw some error somewhere.
Which error? I was working here. You mean?
Dagger broker, yes.
This one?
Yes, multiple whatever, yes. Copy that or that error.
Mm-hmm.
Copy or whatever. Paste it on Google and type and put the switchover. Just paste on Google space switchover. Yeah, try to check that.
Okay. This is danger. It doesn't matter which.
No, no, specify 12C, put on your research, the 12C.
Mhm.
No, no, I don't want Oracle docs. I just want somebody who will show the error. I don't know why you're having Oracle docs.
That's not what I had.
Okay, for those who are here, use this one for a clean switchover. Try this one when the broker is not configured and see. What I'm suspecting is that, okay, you issue alter database, commit to switchover, what again?
You said?
One of the command you issue to switchover on the, to switchover. Show me the script again, please.
This is it.
I'm sorry, I'm not seeing, okay, okay. Is that where?
So it starts here.
Okay, alter database, commit to switchover.
To standby and then startup mount. And then on the standby, let's say this.
Alter database, commit to standby. Where is that? Okay, to standby, okay. With session shutdown, okay. So try that document, okay. But the next time you guys want to do it manually, before you configure the broker to see, okay? So it may work with that.
Okay.
All right, guys. So I think you guys are good. The document, since you are the one who did it, I know you are classmate. So you can arrange the document and you share with your classmate as well as those in the morning. I wanted to do the same because I did it this morning for you guys, but since you guys were able to do that, that's very good. So you can just, okay, arrange it and share with your classmate, okay? Yes, so that they can try.
Okay. So I have one more question. So for this one, where is it? No, that's not it. for
please?
question 6. So that's all you have to do. Just issue that command and that's it.
Yeah, delay, right?
Yes,
Yes, that just the delay.
that's it.
By
Okay.
default, I think by default is 0. So just a delay. We put the value there.
Okay, and this should be done on the standby.
Why? Primary.
Primary, okay. This should be done in primary. And then do you have to scope equals both here or?
The exact command. I'm not okay. Let me see. Look, I got this. No, you're not. No need to do that.
Okay,
Static parameter, so you can do it like that.
okay. And then this is okay, right? Just do underscore.
Yeah.
Service, okay.
Yep. Yeah.
And-
That's it.
Okay. All right.
Any question for me? I'll disconnect you in 3 minutes. Any question?
Gaetan, I remember on I think it was a TNS name. You changed the service name with the seat name.
Yeah.
So
For me, you know what, Patrick, I don't think that was the issue. I think it was just because I didn't set the environment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I think yes. The service name can work. It work.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys can keep service name there. It work. We were just trying stuff, right? So
Yeah.
it work. Okay. Any question? Okay, guys. Oh, let me inform you even. By tonight, you will receive all the upgrade and patching the note. Monday, I'm starting a new project. Okay. This morning, the morning session. I don't know, but I don't know. You guys, I think you guys have a common group now, so you can coordinate them. I heard something like they want to organize another session for them because they were not able to. Okay, this morning, we're facing some listener issues, so we could not get to this level. So they will have another session, not with me. Okay, I'm on them, and they work on it on Sunday. But me, I will come back on Monday to introduce upgrade and patching. It will be a bit shorter because before in the past, we used to upgrade from 10G all the way to 12C. So with you guys, I will just start from 11G to 12C. Okay. But don't take it as it's very easy because there are a lot of steps involved. So Monday, we are starting upgrade and patching. And by Wednesday, I will send a message to Prof today or tomorrow. By Wednesday, all your servers should be clean. So that means what? Wednesday, you will not have any Oracle software, anything in your server. So you have to install everything from scratch because upgrade and patching requires you to install everything from scratch and start everything over. So you should, that means if you want to complete this project, the assignment, you have to do it before Wednesday. Make sure you do it before Wednesday. Otherwise, you can also wait after upgrade and patching because once you upgrade to 12C, once you install 11G and 12C, you can do again data guide. So you will still have enough time to practice data guide again if you want to. So that was the information I wanted to pass across. Okay. So
All right.
That means,
please.
so that means like all the scripts and everything that is on your Aura data and stuff, you have to save it somewhere else.
Exactly. Yeah. Save it because it will probably play your server.
Oh, Jesus.
Copy that to your local machine now.
Yeah, just a simple copy.
Yes, just copy. Yeah. Oh, you guys know how to do that. You guys passed the DD1 exam with VNCP, right? So you guys know. All right. So, okay, guys, thank you for your time and enjoy your weekend. Okay. See you Monday.
Thank you, Captain.
Okay, thank you.
Anita, well done. It was really good.
Okay, thank you. So, all right, you guys should not be expecting the script before the end of the weekend, please.
All right.
Actually, oh yeah, they're working on it.
TJ, without apologies, the service looks very slow. Those kids must be shut up as soon as possible so that we can give a final try. And I watch everything going on. I know you
You're
have different
breaking.
staff.
We can't really hear you.
Oh shit. Hold on 1 second.
Okay, I'm gonna try my best to have it out by tomorrow then. Tomorrow, I mean tomorrow evening. Tomorrow evening. Okay.
This is
Il y a une différence entre l'intérêt qu'on porte à un débat déjà, ce débat a un poids dans l'ensemble des débats. L'histoire de ce débat présidentiel peut se dire que au moins et il est rattrapé par Joe Biden, un nouveau débat de vice-président. Et c'est quelqu'un qui a affiché la réduction de les gens, je m'étais là, il y a effectivement une exception. Il y a effectivement une exception qui confirme la règle. Ce qu'on peut dire, c'est qu'effectivement, il y a un différentiel en vision de genre. Le débat qui a fait le plus de monde, c'est le débat Palin qui est suivi parce que Biden est président. Et donc, pourquoi les gens regardaient? Parce qu'il y avait la santé de McCain. Et donc, quand je disais, elle est effectivement un battement de cœur, on pensait qu'il n'allait pas tenir longtemps en tant que président, il est mort 10 ans plus tard. Et puis, la deuxième chose, surtout la santé du président. Et puis, la deuxième chose, c'était la personnalité de Palin. Or là, on avait les deux choses. C'est-à-dire qu'on a deux vice-présidents qui, vous l'avez rappelé, 80 ans pour l'un, 85 ans pour l'autre, quand ils sortiront de la Maison-Blanche. Donc là, on a cette dimension de santé. On est vers 2024. Peut-être que ce soit d'impact sur 2020, et peut-être qu'on le regardait pour 2024, en se disant l'un des deux est peut-être présidentiable. D'ailleurs, après le débat, on n'a pas la même réponse avant le débat. Avant le débat, on regardait beaucoup Kamala Harris. Et après le débat, on se dit Mike Pence, c'est quand même un bon débatteur. Et qui a, on le sait, aussi de l'ambition. Une ambition discrète, mais une ambition et là, électorale. Alors, il y a des débats ou pas, on a vu les images. Je pense qu'il y a un moment qui débat qui fait que Mike Pence prend le dessus. C'est le moment qu'on a montré le reportage c'est-à-dire qu'en fait, les 15 premières minutes ont expliqué les 15 premières minutes et là, si la peur on devrait avoir peur de ce sujet, c'est pas ça. Sauf que Kamala Harris, elle, a fait sa pub, a dit si c'est le vaccin conseillé par les médecins et par aussi, je le prendrai, mais si c'est le vaccin de la crainte, je ne le prendrai pas, puis il y a une petite mimique désagréable. Et là, il est un autre sujet, mais il reprend tout le temps ça.